Hello guys, welcome back, and now we're gonna play Moe Escape. What the fuck, it looks creepy. Oh god. Guys, I'm alone. The fuck is Moe Escape after all? You regain consciousness. Okay, as you start thinking more clearly, you realize your hands are shackled. Why? You can't see so much because it's so dark. Oh look, murder. Suddenly, you hear a young girl's voice. Little girl, hey, are you awake? Wow, you were out for hours. Who the fuck are you? I managed to squeeze my hands out of my shackles, but it's too dark to tell where I am. My name's Fabienne. Let's work together to get out of here, okay? Okay, what should I do? Go there. A lamp. Let me see if I can turn it on. Yay, that's much better. Looks like we're in a holding room of sorts. Murder. This is creepy. But that's okay. I'm sure but if we work together, we can figure out a way out of here. Okay, I'll post for a sec because my brother's calling me. This is creepy. Okay guys, we're back. It's still creepy. Darn it. This snowy girl. Fabian says, but that's okay. I'm sure if we work together, we can figure out a way out of here. Let's do our best. What's that? The bottom desk has a rope and rope around it. What's that? An old dirty pipe. It looks like something is shimmering in there, but my hand won't fit through the grate. There's an old dirty mirror in the wall. Bam! Ba-bam! Oh, so cute. That lamp's really bright. Thanks. Ah, wow, someone really likes killing people. What's that? I'm sure that one says nicer than murder. Yeah. There's a light. Oh, I can't reach the switch. She's so cute. What's up? Return to game mode. It's creeping me out. What's that? What's that crap? This piece of wall feels weak. I can probably pull this rock out. Yay, got it. This could come in handy. Now throw that. There is a light. Darn it. There. Yeah. Now how? How? Okay. What's up? Return to game. It's too dark. I can't see anything. This is creepy. We need something. There's something behind you, god damn you. Huh? What's that circle for? Let's throw a rock. There. There is a light. Ta-da. Yay, we smashed the mirror. Ah, that was fun. This glass is sharp. It could prove useful for something. Oh, okay. It's an old dirty pipe. It looks like a piece of glass. No. This glass should cut through the rope. Yay. It worked. I'm a genius. LOL. Huh? Now what's that? There's an old crate under here. I may as well hold on to it. Now what is that? There's nothing down here. It would make a neat hiding spot. What? You don't wanna get that. Now we got a crate. Oh, I know. There's. I got an idea. I'm on a roll today. I might be able to reach the light now. You should be. No good. Maybe if I try jumping. Yeah, you should. Yay! I did it! Alright. Die. Eh? It, it's an old sink filled with water. A rusty toolbox. It's locked. Oh look. Super creepy bunny toy. So are you. Cool, an empty bucket. This could make a nice hat. Foo foo foo. Yay. This keypad control the lock of the door. Oh, we still don't know that. I don't get it. So do I. Eh? The door is locked. We gotta find a way how to open it. You are covering something. I said you're covering something. How about that? Oh, I know. I got an idea. Now, oh, I can use the sink to fill that awesome bucket I found. Alright, no leaks. Now, put there. Let's see if I can fill this pipe with water from the bucket. Awesome, the bucket used water gun attack. What the? Yay, just as I thought. The key floated to the surface. What's that key? 4. Oh, the toolbox. I wonder if this key unlocks the rusty old toolbox. Yay, it worked. Looks like there's some parchment inside. It's got weird markings on it. I'll pull it on the desk for now. Let's have a closer look at this parchment. Okay, it's creepy. Okay. 2 9 7 and enter. What in the world? I mean, I know what this stuff means. Yeah, I totally know what this nonsense means. Leave it to me. Shut up, Fabian. This cube, I know how. It says 2 9 7. Ta-da. What? 2 9 7. What the hell? What the hell are these for? Wow. I don't get it. Oh, this is our key. This sounds creepy, darn it. Do you guys get it? Okay. Shut up. Hey, she said shut up. Oh, we gotta go here. Two 9 7. Darn, I have no idea. A super creepy bunny toy. Darn it, is there anything in the toolbox? Nothing else. We've got to... Just what's this for? 1 2 3 4. It's 2. Yeah, it's definitely like that. But where are these circles? Darn it. Where are the circles? 4. Hmm. Hmm. 2, 9, 7. Red. See? 2. Darn it. X. 2. I said 2. That's the X. 2, 9, 7, C, red. Fuck it. Help, guys, help. I need to be careful around these guys. There's nothing down there. What does the parchment means? It says 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is 2, then 2, 1, 2, 9, 7, and red. That's all, right? That's all. 2, 9, 7, and red. 2, 9, 7, red. What the fuck? Why won't it work? Okay, let's try this. 2, 9, 7, green. 2, 9, 7, red. 2, 9, 7, X. What the? This is... Oh! Okay. How about this? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. God! It's not working. The door's locked still. Anyway. How about we flip? It's not the order. Alright. Let's try this. How the hell am I gonna get out of here? Just what do we need? What's the answer? Let's have a closer look. What the hell does this mean? It's 4, 2, 3, 1. Guys, what does this mean? There's up, there's no down. Where are the circles for? Okay, let's try flipping it. That's gonna be 4. No, not 4. It's gonna be 7, 7, 6, green, and A. 7, 6, green, A. 7, 6, green, A. Remember that. 7, 6, green, A. 7, 6, Green A. Nope. Fuck. How about the other side? We flip the other to the other side. Which means it's gonna be B. This is gonna be B. Fuck it. Let's do this. B8 2. B82, okay. B82, B82, okay. B820, I guess. B82 green. Wait, what the fuck? I don't get it. Return to game, darn you. Let's see again. B82. Oh, 0. It's B20. Sorry. Fuck it. B820. Nope. Okay, the fourth. How about the fourth combination? Okay. Let's try this. It's number 5, 4. I mean, darn it. It's 7, 6, green A. 7, 6, green A. 7, 6, green A. 7, 6, green A. Let's try 7, 6, green A. Darn you. Why aren't you opening? Now, the last combination will be green 5B1. Green 5B1. Okay, let's try. Green 5B1. Green 5B1. Why isn't it opening? How? How? We tried all. Damn it. Return to game. It's tiring. I'm having tough here. Okay, let's see. It's 2, 3. It's 2, 6. 2, 6, 6, and 0. 2, 6, 6, 0. Let's try that. 2, 6, 6, 0. 2, 6, 6, 0. Green. Okay. Nothing's happening. What the hell? What the hell's the combination? We tried all the possibilities. Look. 0. It's 2, 6, 6, and 0. Enter right. This super useless lolly moe. 2, 6, 6, 0. Okay. Fuck. Let's look again. It's really shit. Come think of it, the top one only has the brighter mark. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Hmm. It's too. Darn it. So hard. Hmm. Let's brainstorm again, guys. Brainstorm. Two, three, two. How the hell? One, three. No, it's six. 1, 6, B, 0. Yeah, shut up. 1, 6, B, 0. Oh, it is. We did it. Hey, we did it. We're free. The door opened. Let's get out of here. You hear Fabian's footsteps move further and further away into the darkness. You wonder if she forgot you. You still chained the wall. What the fuck? Yeah! It was a trap. What? You hear hacking sounds? You can't help but fear the worst. Hacking sounds stop, and you hear footsteps approaching the room. It's all over, you think? What the hell? Oh god. The end? And that's all? What the kidding me? Darn this game. Okay, I guess that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching this game and shit. It's full of crap, and it's kind of fun and creepy soundtrack too. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.